actually 2 visits to Sky Reef. One in April of 2023, the other in December of 2023, because in April I didn't have my GoPro, so the snorkeling footage is from December.
All right, it's working. Ladies and gentlemen, use baby shampoo to defog your mask. It's less tears. It's not no tears, but it's less tears. Hey, we made it to Sky Reef. And this time, I've got my GoPro. And I'm gonna show you what it's like underneath there. See, from up top, it doesn't look like much, but underneath, it's really magnificent down there. And they have all different levels. They've got really shallow to deeper. And you have easy entry and exit from those stairs right there. And so here we go. I can't wait to take you with me. So they have guided tours here as well. But Henry and I, we are pros. We don't need any freaking guided tour.
Alright, coming up here we have a juvenile French angelfish in its juvenile stage, of course. Isn't it beautiful? And then there's the little fairy basslet coming up here. Fairy basslet. I love them. Purple with the yellow tails. All these beautiful fans are sea fan corals, and they take a long time to grow, and they are not to be taken lightly. One should never ever touch anything in the ocean, especially the corals and the plants, because you might kill something that took 20 years to grow. And while we're at it, it's a really good idea to wear Reef safe sunscreen. Because we want to preserve this beauty forever. Now coming up here, we have a magnificent piece of coral, and we're doing an upside down cameo because I like to scoot the camera under the rock every now and then where I can't see it. See if I ever get anything on footage. Anything might be hiding under there, you just never know. So that was an upside down cameo because you just never know. Okay, and these are ocean surgeonfish. Ocean surgeonfish. And a goatfish, which to me, I think goatfish are so pretty. I love to catch them. And then that brown speckled thing, that's a juvenile stoplight parrotfish in its juvenile stage. Upside down cameo. There's a little worm or something in there. There's some stuff in there. Coming up here, this is some type of a blowfish. I've never seen a fish like this before in my life. Oh, he's neat looking though. Super cool. Alright, coming up here we have a smooth trunk fish. Two smooth trunk fish. Super cool animals. Alright, now look at this little beauty. This is a juvenile French angelfish. We're about to see what two grown French angelfish look like, or almost grown. Oh, there it is. There's one, and there's another one coming up too. French angelfish. Oh, that's a grouper right there. He's about to duck back under that rock, but that's a grouper. Now what happened to the French angels? There they are. Two French angels. Beautiful. Magnificent. Man, oh man, I wish I would have done an upside down cameo under that cliff right there. There seems to be a lot going on under that little ledge right there. Oh, I missed that. I missed it. Right, it's like this little blue tag here is leading us to a little French grunt. He's saying, Kim, talk about French angelfish. Here's a French grunt.
That's a ballyhoo. I can't believe I'm snorkeling off the coast of Cozumel. Coast of Cozumel, Mexico. It's a beautiful day. Alright, so here we are enjoying beautiful Cozumel Sky Reef. Listening to the sound of the water, the waves lapping on the shore. You can see the cruise ship from here. Vlogs. Hi. Well, Henry and I are really excited because we have finally found our spot. We are at the beautiful, lovely Sky Reef in Cozumel, Mexico. We've tried lots of places in Cozumel. Lots of places where we heard that there was good snorkeling, but it wasn't true. However, here at Sky Reef, there is excellent snorkeling out here. And plus a pretty wonderful beach club. And so when you come in, first of all, the taxi ride is about 13 bucks for a couple, so it's about $7.50 each. That's what it cost us to get here. And then when we came in, it cost us 20 bucks to get in, but with that we get beach chairs and one complimentary drink. They do have an all-inclusive package, which is $65, all the food and drink, all the drinks and food that you can eat. And so, but the treat, the real cherry on top, is the snorkeling out there. Lots of good snorkeling, lots of beach chairs. They've got guides to take you out to the reef. Not too crowded. They don't sell this excursion on board a ship, so you just go to the taxis, and a taxi here is going to be about $13 for two people, $7.50 each. It's going to be great. You should try it. Sky Reef. Alright, so we decided everywhere we go in Mexico now, we're going to try the nachos. We've been to Fat Tuesday. Those are super good. On a scale of 1 to 10, I'm going to give it a 10. We got the fully loaded beef nachos. We just did our second swim out there. Oh, also included with the $20 package is a free tequila tasting. Now, I didn't do that because I can't drink, I love tequila, but I can't drink it straight up, so. But it's a free tequila tasting if you're interested. They've got massages here if you want to get massages on the beach.
What are you doing, guys?
Beautiful, beautiful. Thank you. They have great service here, too. Alright, we ate every bit of our nachos. They were really good. There's a church right next door, so that was like a little extra blessing. Somebody was having a wedding right next door. That was way cool. Another thing I like about this, we leave when we're ready. It's not an excursion. We don't have to go when they tell us to go. We go when we're ready to go. This covered area is very charming. From Sky Reef. When you're ready to go, just ask them to call a cab for you and they will, no problem. Very cute. Very cute. How's the chair, honey? We gotta take taxis 6, 7, 8. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. It really helps me out, and it's totally free. If it's free, it's for me.